Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This week we are at the Contemporary on our way over to the Magic Kingdom as we speak to go check out the progress on Tron. I didn't do one last week just because there wasn't a lot going on, but this week I noticed a lot of stuff going on over at Tron, so we're gonna go over and check that out right now. Thank you to all my subscribers. All of you that are not subscribed, click subscribe. Over 70% of my viewers are not subscribed. Click subscribe so you know when my videos are posted, 2 to 3 of them every week. So just click subscribe, very easy, takes half a second. Anyway, thank you to all my subscribers and all of you viewers. Let's go check out Tron over at the Magic Kingdom. Let me know what you guys think. The new progress you'll be seeing is a lot of the exterior building. The box is starting to be built, so it's pretty cool. I got a couple new different angles as well, so let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below, thumbs up, share, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Alright, so that is the latest on Tron here at the Magic Kingdom. Let me know what you guys think. How awesome is this ride looking? When do you think it'll be done? Let me know. All comments below. I'll see you guys next week from the Magic Kingdom. I'm out.